And I recommend, if you're wanting to do a vinyl floor covering, some stuff called Traffic Master by Home Depot, where it has like an inch and a half lap, where the other one lays over, and the other one's notched, and it's real sticky. You put it together all the way around. I have two sides that are got the lap sticking out, and then the other two sides allow for the lap over the next one. That particular one, you don't have to have any glue. You just need to keep your joints tight. And you can take a heat gun or a hairdryer and heat it up and pull it out and replace it. If this goes bad, if you get a scratch on it, you've got to replace it all. I promise you. These little fragile bumps on these things, ledges on these things, they're going to break when you take it apart. It's not going to be this whole floor. That's the problem with any of your interlocking floors like this. If the color is just not thick enough, you're going to get a scratch and you can't replace it. So that Traffic Master stuff, you can replace it. I don't think they intended for you to do that, but I figured out how to do it. So you use a heat gun / hairdryer, turn it on high, and you can loosen up that sticky part, pull it out, and slip another one in. I'll show you how to do that sometime. I don't care for vinyl flooring, mostly because of the fact that you can't replace. That's why I use a lot of 1x1 tiles. That's why if you get a cut on this tile, you just heat it up, take out that tile, put another one in. So, I don't recommend this stuff. It's real expensive, but if you go ahead and use your own judgment, check around. And I looked at other people's reviews. Some of them don't really tell you the truth. Others do. I'm not going to give a good review to it because it's just horrible. It wouldn't matter to me if I tried to do a commercial. My conscience would not allow me to tell you that this is an easy job to do. So, somebody might be better than me at it, but God bless them. I hope they keep on doing it because they can do my share of this stuff.